Hi guys, got a quick video here. Replacing the Traxxas differential um, tooth, the ring gear tooth. Yeah, cause I had a crash the other day and I grated a couple of my teeth, so I have to replace this, the ring gear, and I'm also gonna change the pinion gear as well for the differential. Okay, first of all, you need to take out these 4 screws. I done like slackened it already, like, you know, loosened it up already, so it's easy to take out more or less. So take out these 4 screws. That's one. That's 2. Got a little tight space because been working on this yesterday, and I started working on this like 2 days before, so well, this is all fixed now, so yeah, it's all good, but I haven't taken it off the table as yet. But the Traxxas, I'm gonna set that back up today, try get it back on the road. Gotta make another speed run. Yeah, gotta set up, make sure everything is working properly for the next speed run that's coming up. I keep you guys posted, don't worry. Just like and subscribe my page, and yeah, I'll be posting more videos. Try to post at least 1 or 2 videos every week or so. Yep, it's the 4th screw out. You take this top bit off. Yep, put this down. And I got this here. Okay, so what I gotta do, so I used this to push it through. Yeah, get that little piece out, because I gotta put this back into this one. Yeah, this is finished, so I can't use this anymore. This is the previous one I had as well. I still may just replace it with this one, replace it with this. This is the old one, so I'll put these over there. These are the new pieces. Don't forget the part number for the pinion gear for the diff. Yeah, that's the part number. And for the ring gear, diff 35 tooth. That's it. It's a part number as well. All right, let's start putting it together. Okay, gotta make sure. What I'm gonna do is gonna top it up with a bit of 200 diff oil. I mean, some people say don't go above 100, but I'm just putting a little bit of 200. Yeah. It's so thick. Leave that fall in there, as you can see. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave that settle in. I'll grind the gears a bit. See how they work. Leave it work through. Yeah. Yep. Leave that settle in for a bit. This gets really greasy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this back through here. Get that sitting flush. Make sure it's all in good. Yep. Make sure all is working good here. Lovely. Then make sure, because I have a blue seal on top, make sure it's correctly on. Okay, you don't want to like screw it back on and then, you know, you rip it or anything. So I place this back on top. Place this back on top of it. Make sure it's all lined up properly. Yep, it's all lined up. I wasn't gonna make this video, you know, I just was changing it and I said, you know what, let me do a quick video. All of this is good for someone out there who needs the little help. Yep. Get 2 screws in solid first, you know. Yep, 2 screws in. Put the other 2 screws in as well. Got another one. Yep. Yep, that's one. Don't want to make this video too long, so I'm just, you know, trying to be quick as possible. We want to be quick and make sure everything is correct as well, you know. Yep, that's done. 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 Finito. Okay, that's all put together. So what I do is before I put it back in, I put a little marine waterproof grease, you know, just around the teats. Keep it lubricated, you know. Enough. Okay. Yeah, so what I do, I just dip a normal ordinary toothbrush and dip it in and just touch it up a bit, just a little bit. Yeah, like that. Put a little bit around here as well on the bearings. Put a little bit on the bearings. That's how I do mine, you know, and it worked pretty well, so no complaints there. Yep. All right, that's that. Then I got the bearing. Yep, it's a bit. That's to clean it off. Yep. Set this here. Then the cup, put that back in. Screw this in. And that's that. So I'll put back together. Yeah, double check, make sure everything is incorrect, like well tightened. Yep, that's good. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the phone and yeah, I'm gonna show you more or less how I put it back in. I place this to the side. I'm done with this. So put that back up. Sorry for the tight space, but yeah. So what I do now, okay, hope you guys can see good. Okay, what I do now, put a little bit, you know, a little bit of the same grease. Still got a little bit remaining on the brush, so I put that on here. Give it a little lubricant. Shove this back in. See how it sits flush right in there. Yep. Then you place this back in here. Sorted. I got just looking for the, yep. And this is the diff cover. You place this back on, put that right here. Make sure it's lined up properly. Screw that back in quick. Not quick, but yeah. One of the buttons. Another button. This one as well. Sorry if you can't see too good, guys, but yeah, my hands is blocking it completely. Yep. Back in properly. This one here as well. Then you got one more for right here. That's the last one. All right, all done. That's it, guys. As you can see, yeah, diff is all back up and running. Gotta set it back up now. Yeah, take it for a little test run later on. All right, guys, thanks for watching. That was just a quick video of changing the ring gear from your front diff and also the pinion for the diff. Yeah, hope you guys like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.